Hello, and welcome to this video on how to use Info to investigate national fellowships. Info is the searchable database on our website that you can explore. Let's start by going to our main webpage, sc.edu/nfsp, that's National Fellowships and Scholar Programs. From there, you will click on National Fellowships on the left side menu. On this landing page, you can either click the large info on the right-hand side, or you will find the same page by clicking Competitions and Deadlines in the left side menu. Here we are at Info. You'll notice there are 195 entries currently. This is not an exhaustive list of national fellowships, but it's a wide range of ones we encourage you to consider. Let's look at ways to search Info. You can always search by keyword, or if you know the name of the fellowship you are looking for. You can search by academic area, which correspond to the typical broad disciplines you may be studying now or want to study in the future. You can search by area of interest. These areas come from the competitions themselves. We grouped them by common interests, so be sure to check here to see if anything corresponds with your interests. IMA is about year of eligibility, so if you say you are a sophomore, it will pull up awards you are eligible to apply for that year. Year of funding is about when you want the award. You might be a junior thinking about graduate school funding, for example. Citizenship is pretty self-explanatory. If you are not a U.S. citizen, note that there are 66 awards that come up with no citizenship requirement. Note that the search engine is an inclusive one. It will pull up both awards that are specifically for your search categories, but also awards that are broad enough to include your search categories without necessarily being for those categories. Let's do a quick example search. If you are a junior interested in public service, note that that will pull 17 results. You can do a quick skim and decide which ones you want to learn more about. Each listing will offer a short description and some details about what the award offers in terms of funding or other perks. Now let's look at a specific award. I'll put in Fulbright because it's an award we do a lot of advising for. You'll see there are 4 Fulbrights. We want the U.S. student program. On the Fulbright entry page, the first thing you'll see is a link to the website. Please always go to the Foundation's website. We keep info as up-to-date as we can, but the competition website is always the final word on eligibility and application information. They're also just fun websites to explore. Back on Info, you'll see a short description of the grant, then some details about our campus process, which in this case includes a link to our preliminary application. You've got some information about the award amount, and then a chart for eligibility. Deadlines listed may be campus deadlines or national deadlines, but should be clearly indicated as to which type. Other competitions or fellowships to consider is to flag for you similar awards that you may want to look into. In this case, because Fulbright is for a year abroad, these are similar awards with international opportunities. Finally, one of my favorite features on Info is the USC winners list. If we know of any USC winners, they appear here. You can click at the bottom to get the whole list, or you can click on a specific name and it will take you to their entry with details of their major, graduation year, and the awards that they have won. Once you have explored Info and found a fellowship or two of interest, we encourage you to make an appointment with a National Fellowships Advisor. Click Make an Appointment to do so. We are happy to chat with you about options and your fit with the award and support you in the application process. I hope this was helpful, and we look forward to talking with you soon.